What is up guys, I'm Ivor, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how I did the solo runway TikTok video, which is basically just cloning. It's almost like a cloning video and also a slow motion shoe throwing video, but this time it takes more time on editing. Firstly, plan your outfit, and secondly, make sure the camera angle stays the same. Open up your TikTok app and select a song. I chose this song called Walking because obviously I'm walking. And set up your camera angle, make sure it is a move. So first of all, you need to find a door that is open. Set a timer on and get ready. Be out of the frame first, and when the song hits, you gotta start walking into the frame. Dun, 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 dun. Try to walk with rhythm and beats and some swags and save it in the draft. Now do the same thing for the next outfit and make sure the camera angle stays the same. Then the next outfit, just create a new video with the same sound. It doesn't matter which part of the song we start first because we don't really need the song, because we'll edit the song later on. And just keep trying different outfits. Now for saving unedited videos from TikTok, you can either screen record the video from the cover photo, or you post it privately and save it as live photo and go to your photo album and save it as video. In this way, you can save the video down without the TikTok logo. Now move on to editing part. Open up your video lip app and upload all the videos that you just recorded and a random video with a full song. Tap on the clip and tap on the audio. We're gonna unlink the audio and delete the clip because we only need the audio. You know the drill. Now tap on the second clip, drag and drop over the first clip as a separate layer. And I'll just trim a little in the beginning of the second video because I want my walking to stop right away. Okay, this is the hardest part. Tap on the mask and tap on linear and adjust the linear line to make sure both videos can be seen in the same frame. And make sure you feather the linear line so there wouldn't be any harsh line. Well, the purpose here is to adjust the linear line to a part where the both videos do not overlap each other. Now here's the problem. The linear line can only stay in one position, which would definitely cover some parts as the video goes along. So here's the solution. We're gonna have to split 3 times of the second clip layer. In the first split, the linear line will be on the right side, and the second split, the linear line is going to be slightly in the middle to the left. And the third split, there will be no masking. That means that you're going to show the entire second clip without the first clip. For the fourth split, which is also the last one, which has no mask, you gotta drag it down to the main layer. Okay, I know it sounds complicated, but calm down. Here's how you do it. Tap on the second clip layer and tap on split at the part where the linear line starts to cover the second clip. And just move the linear line to the left side. And for the third split, just cut it after the second split because we don't want the linear line to be there. So just click on mask again and select none. The last step is to drag the second clip layer to the main layer. And this is what it looks like for 2 outfits only. And keep doing it for the rest of the outfits. Drag and drop the third outfit and put it on top as a layer. And select mask, select linear, and split the layer into 3 splits. And each split, you just move and adjust the linear line according to the 2 combined videos. So that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. Until then, take care and stay safe. And if you want me to do any tutorials of any other TikTok videos, just leave comments down below. Okay, so see you.